Welcome in. The sage is going, and today I'm holding a rose quartz and a clear quartz. Um, just felt important. We'll see where we're going. Allow yourself to get into a comfortable seated position. And during this meditation, feel free to look at me for guidance on movement if I invite you to form some kind of movement, or just keep your eyes closed or low to the ground. Today I have a sage burning, and it's still burning, and it's been burning for a while. So I can tell energy definitely needs to be clear today. So that is what we're going to work on. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Tembegile, and welcome to my channel. I invite you to gently close your eyes and center into this moment. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now that we have centered here, allow your spine to be tall and straight while still being loose, not stiff. Allow your breath to completely fill your stomach, allowing it to hang loosely and fill with every breath of air. You inhale deep, release, making your releases slow and gentle. Inhale deep, release. One more time, inhale deep, release. As the sage burns, feel the clearing of the energy around you. Not just around you, but within you. As you inhale, feeling the sage-tinted air going down into your lungs, clearing your lungs and your body as it travels through your entire bloodstream. Inhale deep, hold, release. Again, inhale deep, hold, release. Inhale deep, hold, release. Allow yourself to be comfortable in this moment. That means readjusting or changing the position of your body, your arms, your legs, whatever you need to get comfortable in this moment. Allowing yourself to be supported by the back of a chair or the headboard of your bed or the wall. Allowing yourself to relax while still maintaining good posture. I invite you to inhale deep, hold, release. Just as the wind blows through your window, feel the air washing over your body, cleansing you, taking with it any energy, spirits, or beings that have become stale or stagnant or are just no longer serving a purpose in your life and on your body. As you inhale, feel the clearing from the sage and the air together. Inhale deep, hold, release. allowing your breath to leave you slowly and gently. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Again, inhale deep. Hold. Release. Feel the clarity of having less baggage on you and within you. As you continue to breathe, allow your breath to guide you in the exchange of energy. As you release, letting go of old, stagnant energy, spirits, beings, or entities which may have formed an attachment to you, letting them go, returning them to sender, sending them off with love and gratitude. And as you inhale, inhaling clean, pure, crisp air filled with love, light, and possibilities. Begin with a release. Inhale. Hold. Release. As you hold, feeling all of that new energy, all of that love and light entering into you, forming bonds and connections with every part of you and lighting you up. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. One more time. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. As we release, it's important to show gratitude and thanks for the time whatever you're releasing served with you. Everything has a purpose in our life. At one point or another. So I invite you for a moment of gratitude. Feel truly grateful for everything in your life, everything that has been before today, and everything that is in this moment. Feel your body filling with a light, a clear, bright light filling your body, radiating from your heart, pure with love throughout your entire body. You can feel this energy building and building, almost as if pulsating, like a volcano soon to erupt, filling and filling, getting hotter and hotter, with the same energy that ignites the sun. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. One more time. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. As this light fills your body, You can feel it seeping out of you. The overflow of love pouring out over the rest of your body, onto the floor around you, filling the entire space you're in this moment. Love bouncing off of every wall, every floor, every headboard, every drawer, filling your entire space. Repeat these affirmations to yourself or aloud, or just listen if you'd like. I am cleansed. Taking a breath after every one. I am cleansed. I am pure. I am filled with love and light. My home is clean. My body is clean. My mind is clean. I am capable of great things. I am able. I am worthy. I am here. Gently roll your neck around, slowly, allowing it to come to a pause and going in the opposite direction. One more time. Bring to stillness. Gently rolling your shoulders back. With your hands still on your stones of choice, placing them directly on your heart. Allow yourself to take a few breaths here. Feeling not only the air around you, but the air within you. Clean, crisp, and pure. Filled with love and light. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow your eyes to gently blink open as you return to this moment. As you carry on throughout the day and the week, know that you are cleansed. Know that you are clean. Know that you are pure. You are filled with love, light, and pure healing energy. Thank you for joining me today. And thank yourself for taking this time with you. Peace to you. Namaste.